Locate sources that are informative rather than persuasive. Responsible for the source. Look for evidence that the author or organization is a credible expert on the topic. .edu domains are tied to academic institutions.
Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out. You put it off, yeah you did it. Life didn't fall and you couldn't miss what was intended. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Call it in all your favors, call them in.
Thank you.
Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Allow yourself some grace. You can have it, just like the wind. Just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do. Just like the wind. Just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do. Nothing happened by accident. Flowers bloom 'cause you planted them. Watered them to perfection. And now there's no more empty vases. Passionate and so nurturing. And watch it grow from the seeds you sent. Now you reap all the benefits. Ooh. Let the fears fly away. Ride it out like a wave. Calling in all your favors. Call them in. Let the fears fly away. Ride it out like a wave. A light sound.
Get home right now.
You can have it, just like the wind. Just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do. Just like the wind. Just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do. It's new now, 'cause he left all the baggage behind. Took a chance and just look what you found. Yeah, you know that it was about time, yeah. It's new now, 'cause he left all the baggage behind. Took a chance and just look what you found. Yeah, you know that it was about time, yeah. Just like the wind. Just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what you do. Just like the wind. Just let it pass through. Just let it pass you. You do what
Research only happens at the end of the product development lifecycle. Post-launch research can be used to evaluate how well a launched feature is meeting the needs of users, the product, and whether it was a good or poor user experience. On the other hand, qualitative research focuses on observations. Qualitative research is often based on interviews, where we focus on a smaller number of users and understand their needs in greater detail. This type of research answers questions like why or how did this happen? Afterwards, you can interview the users to learn more about their experience, then used to improve the UX of the design. It might include data like success metrics and key performance indicators, which are commonly known as KPIs. Key performance indicators are critical measures of progress toward an end goal. The KPIs for an app or new product. Remember what we mentioned earlier? The research stats, facts. Last, during interviews, you might want to find. Next, let's talk about interview. A lot of time and money. This means you'll end up with a small sample size, which can be risky when launching a brand new product. You can hear perspectives from a lot of users very quickly. One big get in the way. In for evidence to prove a hypothesis you have, and preconcept overcoming confirmation bias during.
It's easiest to remember the last thing you heard in an interview
and important moments that
What's everybody doing? In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know that front-end is typically referring to web development or the type of engineering that uses the same tech stack that you would use in web development, like mobile development, using Swift. Let's start by looking at what, especially if you ask back-end engineering, super accurate. So I will give you a clearer picture of it. I like to define front-end engineering by splitting it up into 4 broad categories of work that you're likely going to do at one point in your life if you're a front-end engineer. Keep in mind, these are broad categories, so I might not be capturing every single piece of front-end engineering work and encapsulate everything. The first category is styling. CSS, the thing that we all know and hate. Okay, maybe I mean, this is where so then you can do a little animation, just, what to call
understanding what maybe a full stack developer maybe is at heard is like front.
Because effectively
to your work. she is.
Let me show you for something. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is aside this one that she put it in as well. So there was no way, nothing was going to happen to this unchanted.